When you open the Uber app, you'll see several options at the top. For this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to book a ride. Use the clickable sections below to skip to different features of the Uber app. Before you book a ride, make sure you have entered a payment method into the app. To do this, tap the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and then tap Wallet. Under the Payment Methods section, make sure an active payment method is listed, or tap Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Card to add one. To book a ride, start by tapping the Ride button, or tapping the Where To field. If you'd like, you can also choose to tap the Now button in the Where To field to schedule a ride for a pickup time in the future. Enter the address of your destination in the Where To field. If you don't have an exact address, you can also tap Select Location on Map, which will let you drop a pin at your desired location. Once you've entered a destination, Uber will offer you several different car options, each that fit a different number of people and come with different price tags. The typical options are Uber X, Uber Black, and Uber XL. Uber X is usually the cheapest option. Uber Black is usually more expensive because this ride will be in a premium car. Uber XL features bigger cars, vans, and SUVs. Next to each option, you'll see how many passengers can fit. You'll notice that next to your current location on the map, it shows how long it will take for the car you've selected to get to your location to pick you up. As you consider different car options, the waiting time changes accordingly. You'll also notice under each car option is an expected drop-off time. Choose your desired car and tap the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Uber may ask you to confirm your pickup spot again, so the driver is clear on where to find you. Once your pickup spot is set, tap Confirm Pickup. Uber may also ask you to confirm your fare, especially if prices are high due to high demand at the moment. Tap Confirm Fare to continue. Uber will then match you to a driver and will show you their live location as they make their way to your pickup spot. If you ever need to contact the driver as they are navigating to your pickup spot, you can tap the phone icon. As the Uber is arriving, you can confirm it's the right car by making sure the license plate and model of the approaching car matches the license plate and model shown in the app. Once you're riding in the Uber, you can follow your location live on the map and also see your live estimated arrival time. If you need to change your drop-off destination mid-ride, you can do so by tapping Add or Change. Doing this might change the price of your ride, but Uber will confirm this with you before any changes are made. You will also find options to share your location with others, change payment methods, and split fares. You can also tap Safety to access various safety tools that Uber offers during the ride, such as reporting a safety issue or calling 911. After the ride is over, you can give your driver a rating or a tip if you'd like by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, tapping Your Trips, selecting your trip, and tapping on the stars next to the driver's name.